Hey, lovebirds and lonely hearts out there, calling all the amazing over 50s who are ready to spice up their love lives. Ditch the bingo nights and dusty photo albums because this video is your passport to slaying the dating game at any age. I'm your host, Anthony, and on the Mind Detective channel, we're all about exploring the fascinating world of relationships. Today, we're diving headfirst into the exciting realm of dating after 50. Yes, you heard that right. Love and romance don't expire with your 8A RP card. Not a chance. So, whether you're a seasoned single or rediscovering love after a late-life divorce, this video is your cheat sheet to navigating the modern dating scene with confidence, humor, and a whole lot of sass. We'll cover the juicy do's and don'ts that'll have you attracting potential partners like bees to honey, even if you haven't used a dating app since AOL chat rooms were a thing. Buckle up, because we're about to debunk the myths and anxieties that hold you back from putting yourself out there. Master the art of online dating profiles that showcase your awesomeness without revealing your social security number. Craft your ideal first date itinerary that sparks conversation, ignites chemistry, and doesn't involve bingo or early bird specials. Navigate the tricky world of communication like a pro, from texting etiquette to setting healthy boundaries. Embrace your unique strengths and experiences because, let's face it, you've got way more to offer than someone in their 20s who still thinks avocado toast is a luxury. Remember, dating after 50 is about adventure, self-discovery, and finding someone who complements your fabulous life, not completes it. You're already whole, darling. Now it's time to find someone who appreciates the masterpiece you are. Do know your deal breakers and non-negotiables. Don't waste precious time on people who wouldn't appreciate your vintage vinyl collection or your love for competitive knitting. Express yourself authentically. Let your quirky humor, your passion for gardening, or your love for historical documentaries shine through. Authenticity is sexy at any age. Be present and engaged. Put down your phone, make eye contact, and ask genuine questions. Show genuine interest in getting to know someone, not just swiping for the next best thing. Dress to impress. But most importantly, dress for yourself. Wear what makes you feel confident and fabulous, whether it's a killer pair of jeans or a vintage dress that's seen its fair share of dance floors. Be open to new experiences. Try that salsa class you've been eyeing. Join a hiking group, or say yes to that blind date your friends set you up with. You never know where love might be hiding. Don't ditch the baggage, not literally, but emotionally. Don't burden your dates with past relationship drama or unresolved issues. Heal, move on, and focus on the present. Play coy or pretend to be someone you're not. Be upfront about your desires, values, and even your dating history. Transparency is key to building trust and genuine connections. Fall for the first person who gives you a compliment. Take your time, get to know people, and don't rush into anything. Remember, quality over quantity. Be afraid to put yourself out there. Rejection is a part of life, but so are second chances and unexpected surprises. Don't let the fear of being alone hold you back from experiencing the joy of connection. Don't become jaded or cynical about love. Remember, you've lived a rich life full of experiences, and that makes you even more interesting and magnetic. Embrace your wisdom and wear it like a crown. Compare yourself to others. Your dating journey is unique, so focus on your own path and celebrate the successes, big and small, along the way. Let technology define your love life. Dating apps are tools, not fortune tellers. Use them strategically, but don't get caught up in the endless swiping game. Remember, there's a whole world of love waiting for you beyond the screen. Settle for less than you deserve. You're a captivating, multifaceted person who deserves someone who appreciates your depth and complexity. Don't settle for someone who dims your light or makes you feel anything less than amazing. Give up on love. Dating after 50 can be a wild ride, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Keep your heart open, stay playful, and trust that the universe has amazing things in store for you. Remember, love doesn't have an expiration date. It just gets better with age, like a fine wine or a well-worn pair of jeans. So there you have it, lovebirds. Your ultimate guide to slaying the dating game after 50. Remember, confidence is your secret weapon. Humor is your best accessory. And a genuine smile is your most irresistible invitation. Get out there, have fun, and trust that love is waiting for you, just around the corner. And until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of relationships, right here on the Mind Detective channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow love seekers. Happy hunting, everyone!